How to hide apps on iPhone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video. Now I'm going to show you guys two methods. One of them is, in my opinion, the best one, and the other one is kind of annoying but works pretty well as well. But yeah, so the first one is if you go to settings and then to screen time and then to content and privacy restrictions, and then to if you scroll down to content restrictions, then to apps. Now here I have it set on allow all, and this is by default, so every single app will be shown. But if you, for example, click on 4+, this is kind of like the age. So if you click on 4+, then lots of apps that are like above 4 will not be shown on your home screen anymore. But the problem is, why I don't like this is that when you do that and then click on allow all again, all your apps will be like the apps you had in a folder, for example, over here, will not be in the folder anymore. They will be on your home screen like this. So it messes up your whole home screen when you simply want to like re-enable it. So that's why I don't like that at all, but I still wanted to show you guys it. And the second best method is if you simply make another home screen. So let's say I want to hide this app. I'll just add another home screen, and I also want to hide this app. Then I'll put every app that I want to hide on this home screen. Then what I simply want to do is hold your home screen, then click on where you see like in the middle, like right there at the bottom, and you want to click on this check mark of that page, and now this page will be hidden. And if I click on done, it is not there anymore, right? I have 3 home pages again, and every app that I've put on there is now hidden. And that is, in my opinion, the best way. And yeah, so if you want to enable this again or get those apps back, then you can simply just bring these back, just like that. And then click on done, and there you go. Now the apps are back. So that is the best way, in my opinion. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.